Thank you for your purchase of Simba Plus scooter. This beautiful scooter comes in attractive colors and music console. This product is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You would also need a piler and a screwdriver. To start with, take the main body and pull the handle to up straight position. It will get automatically locked to its correct position. Then open the height adjusting lock and adjust the height as per your requirement and lock it. It's time to put batteries to the music console to activate music and lights. Now fit the seat stand as shown. Now put the seat to the main body to give it a final touch. You can easily lock it by using the lock clamp provided. Your beautiful Simba Plus scooter is ready to use. Ride, kids' pride.